Hey, a very warm welcome to all the viewers out there. And today we'll bring up a topic which is related to data confirmation. So, how many of us actually come across situations where we need to collect data from tons and thousands of employees and then provide a report? So, before providing the report, everybody of us would like to make sure that the format provided data, like the format which is provided in the data, is correct and there is no discrepancy. For example, our today topic will make sure that if you're asking for a telephone number or maybe an ID card number from your employees, from your students, or whoever the recipients are, the providers are actually giving you the correct format. For example, if the phone number is in digits, they're not providing as like 123 ABC. It should be properly in digit. But to make sure, we'll just verify it at the last stage before providing reports to our supervisors. How we'll do it? Just start with a new Google Sheet, a blank spreadsheet. To save time, I have written down some data here. See, it's a spreadsheet. The very first thing I have done here is change the name of the spreadsheet. Here it is, number confirmation. I have created a column which is telephone and written here some sample data. The first one is purely numbers. The second one is an alphanumeric data which has numbers and alphabets and so on. So let's see how Google Sheet can check it and give us results. You have to write is equals to, as every formula starts with an is equals to. Is num. Select the cell which you would like to check and close the bracket. Here it is. So if Google Sheet thinks that the data provided is in the correct format, the answer here will be true. Otherwise, Google Sheet will pop up a false here, and you can easily compile a report and send it over to the individual and ask him or her to refill the data. This can be changed a bit. Like for example, if you don't want a true and a false here and you have a customized data or a customized sentence over here, what you can do is start with an if statement. So is equals to if, and what you'll do is start a bracket. If is number A2, comma, if it's true, write good, and if it's not okay, write please review. So if it's a shared sheet, such comments are important and the individual will automatically know that the data is incorrect and he or she has to refill it. So see, as the data was correct, so good is available here, and drop it down. See, good, please review, good. This is important when you're actually tackling with data with a thousand and thousand of rows. So you just cannot check it manually. So such verification, which will not take more than a minute, are pretty handy and should be done. So I must appreciate if you all can use it and provide us with your feedback. Please make sure that you have hit the like button on our YouTube channel, which is Learners DAC. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.